Be ready? Start. The petition has been contested by respondents number 224 in terms of reply dated 12 July 2020. Stop. In the reply, respondents number 224 have submitted that the petitioner has not disclosed that the minor child has undergone a serious medical surgery and he has not fully recovered. Stop. The surgery has only been performed on the right kidney, whereas surgery of left kidney was also required, but due to young age of the minor child, his left kidney has not been operated on. Stop. The same is being closely monitored by the entire team of doctors in India. Stop. The minor child requires regular follow-ups and constant monitoring, which can only be done by respondent number 2, as she is thoroughly updated about the problem and is constantly in touch with the doctors of the minor child. Stop. The standard medical care and ease of availability of medical advice is better in India. Stop. No early dates were being given in USA for the urgent surgery of the minor child and he had to be rushed to India. Stop. Given the current scenario, it would be extremely difficult to get even decent medical care facility in USA. Stop. The fact that the family of respondent number 2 has doctors is extremely beneficial. Stop. Respondent number 4, mother of respondent number 2, with whom the minor child resides, is a doctor. Stop. Her brother is also a known doctor and stays close to respondents number 2 to 4. Stop. The brother of respondent number 2 is also a doctor. Stop. It is in the interest of the minor child to stay in Gurugram, India. Para. The minor child is living in happy household surrounded 5 of 46 with loving family and friends, as is evidenced from the US Embassy report. Stop. In USA, the petitioner hardly had any family and friends and the minor child was devoid of the company that he needed for proper growth and development. Stop. The minor child has friends in Delhi and Gurgaon. Stop. He has a wonderful opportunity to celebrate a variety of pujas and festivals in India which could never have been done in USA. Stop. He goes every day to the temple at his maternal grandparents' home where he stays. Stop. He has strong roots in India. Stop. He has travelled with respondent number 2 more to India and had extended stays in India. Stop. The minor child was previously enrolled in a preschool in 2018 and then in 2019 and now nursery school in 2020 with the prior consent of the petitioner. Stop. The petitioner and respondent number 2 had all along been planning that respondent number 2 and minor child would be shifting to India. Stop. The minor child has attended preschools in India in 2018 and now would be going to nursery at Shri Ram School, Gurugram, India, as decided between the petitioner and respondent number 2 much before stop. The petitioner has subjected respondent number 2 to mental torture, dowry harassment, and domestic violence and abused constantly, coaxing for her funds to be invested in land stock. Petitioner became so violent once that respondent number 2 had to call the women's shelter in USA on 2nd November 2018. Stop.